What if you started a Samsung phone repair business back in 2010 when smartphones were just going mainstream? While everyone else was fixing simple iPhones, you decided to master Samsung's complex designs. You learned their intricate repair techniques, found wholesale part suppliers, and opened shop in a busy electronics district. Then something unexpected happened. Samsung repairs were way more profitable than iPhone fixes. The complex designs meant higher margins and fewer competitors willing to learn. Businesses started calling you for corporate contracts. Their employees all had Samsung devices. You trained other technicians as demand exploded. One location became 3, then 10. By 2015, smartphone adoption had skyrocketed everywhere. Your specialized expertise was pure gold. You franchised nationwide, teaching others your Samsung secrets for licensing fees. What started as a small repair shop became a million-dollar empire. Many electronics repair entrepreneurs achieved millionaire status this exact way. The millionaire mindset means spotting trends early and building expertise that others won't. Specialization creates sustainable competitive advantages that compound over time.